Wonderful English people. I have something really awesome to show you that I've installed on all of your student machines, and nobody knows how to use it yet. It is called Zotero. So Zotero is a really cool citation tool that does all of the work for you. It is a Chrome extension, and it is a desktop app at the same time. So I'm going to show you kind of how to do this. So the first thing you're going to need is the Zotero connector, which is a Chrome application that links directly onto your menu bar. And I'll show you what that looks like when I pop it up here. I have it bookmarked here. So the other thing you'll need is the desktop application, which you can install by clicking your little FileWave kiosk, installing software, and if you look for it, it's installed and it will load in here. So there are a few things that you have to do to create an account and do all those things, but it's really simple to do. I want to show you what it's capable of. So what I have here is a website that I use from Mooresville, North Carolina. And this is Wikipedia, so it's not the best site ever. But if I just click this little link here, up here, the Zotero thing, it is going to save my Zotero citation directly to this application. So there it is, and it pulls everything in together. So I can change the author, so Ackelman, Damien, and it has everything here. Yeah, that's cool, right? But the best part about it is in Google Docs, I'm actually able to embed it without having to do anything. So this is taking citations from what we have for our kids, and I'm just going to put it in here. Hopefully I don't ruin it. So there are two ways to do it. All you have to do to cite the source for like a bibliography is just click and drag it in where you want it. And it will automatically do the citation for you. Okay. The other thing that you can do is if you are interested in in-text citation, if you hold the shift key while you drag, it'll do your in-text citation as well. And that is how you use Zotero. I know what you're asking. Does it work with APA, MLA, and all the like? Well, yes, if you click on Preferences, you can set it up so it actually inputs any way that you want and any type of thing. And this is all free. So all kids have to do is click the Zotero link and then drag them into any Google Doc, and your citations are done. And that is how to use Zotero. If you need any help, feel free to book time with me. I can do this all the time. Oh, also, it saves all of your stuff. So as you use it and build on it, all of your citations are built in. So that is how to do that.